So in accounting, right, in a different way and different manners, we have to see that in numbers, in how many ways we can count the numbers, right? Or in the with different condition or conditions, right? We have to count the number of ways and all that's called combinatorics, right? But we'll start with the counting of with the basic of the numbers, right? With the some notations, right? Hope everyone knowing this notation. This is factorial n, or this is known as n factorial, right? This factorial n or n factorial meaning this is the notation for the numbers. Like if I'm writing factorial 5, meaning is 5 into factorial 4, or this is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, right? So this is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, or this is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Means factorial 5 will go till 1, right? Value of factorial 1 is 1, as well as the value of factorial 0 is 1. Two of the values of factorial known as 1, right? And if I'm writing n factorial, means n into n minus 1 factorial. This n belongs to positive integer including 0, right? मिनिमम जो जा सकती है वैल्यू वो 0 तक जा सकती है, अदरवाइज n factorial and n minus 1 पे you can go with the formula. If I'm writing 6 factorial, what is the value of 6 factorial?
6 into 5
6
into
into
720.
5, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you are getting 70, right? So based on this factorial, today we have to solve questions, and then we'll convert this for the counting purpose, right? So hope everyone noted these things. सबने नोट कर लिया होगा. Okay. Right. We are starting with first thing, factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus factorial 3 up to factorial x is equal to y square. X and y belongs to integers, right? Obviously positive integers. Find ordered pair of x comma y. You have to write down the answer. Huh? Write down the answer in chat only. Yes, this is for This is for Olympiad. This maybe the student would be in class 9, 10th or 11th, right? All the students have the same thing in for Olympiads. It's a new type of mathematics. So you have to understand this. Just I have explained this thing and given a question. For class 9, 10th and 11th, this is right, something new type of mathematics that you'll get to know like by practicing and knowing the things. Very good, Aditya, Drew, very good. See, it's a beautiful question, and the explanation of the question is based on number system, right? So this is an open thread. Open thread means it's given up to like it's a like you can go to like number going to infinite, right? As we have discussed now, what is the value of factorial n? What is factorial n? What is the meaning of factorial n? Factorial n, you can write in this way or there. Factorial 5, like I'm saying, so meaning of factorial 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you have to multiply all the integers, what factorial is given. Or the formula for factorial 5 is 5 into factorial 4, or 5 into 4 into factorial 3, or factorial n is n into n minus 1 factorial, or factorial 6 is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Right? That's going for 720, right? So if the question is given in the form of factorial 1 plus factorial 2, factorial 3 up to factorial x is equal to y square, x and y are integer, you have to find values of x and y, right? See, this we have to solve for. Solve for x and y, right? So if I'm writing factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus factorial 3 plus factorial 4 plus factorial 5 and so on. So value of this is 1, this will be 2, this will be 6, this is 24, this is 120 and so on. When we have to add all the numbers, what we are getting, right? 6, 2, 8, 9, 4, 3, and this is 0. This will be 720. So unit place will contain 0, right? After this. So the unit place, when you are adding 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3, 4, and after that, this will be 0. So unit place is 3 only. Okay. So if I'm going up to factorial 4 or more than factorial 4, right? Unit place of the number is 3 only, right? Unit place of the number is 3 only. Why I'm giving a stretch on this 3 only? Because we know that this is y square. We don't have any number whose square ended with 3. Right, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, up to 9 square, none of the number ended with 3. So 100% we can say like the number cannot go beyond 4 factorial or more than that, right? If we have to solve, right, we have to go up to, like we have to search the number till this only, right? So if you'll take for factorial 1, factorial 2 and factorial 3, this is coming as 9. So you are putting the value of x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. X and y both are 3. So you are getting 3 comma 3 is the answer for that, right? First of the answer. Then maybe lower than that, I'm getting 1 plus factorial 2. This is coming as 3. So again, not possible. Then again, factorial 1 is 1 only. So this is 1 comma 1, right? So we are getting two options, two answers we have. One is 1 comma 1 and second is 3 comma 3. How many of you got this answer? Write down yes in chat, please. Wow, great. बहुत अच्छे. Very good. Please note down, everyone. Note down. As I said, factorial 0, value of factorial 0 is 1. It's written there also, I guess. Right, Musa? See, if you are going for factorial 5, factorial 6, and factorial 7, each and every number will contain 1 5. And 1 5 with even number will be always 0. So unit place will be always 0 in that way, right? Or if I'm saying like with the factorials only, if I'm giving you factorial 100, how many zeros at the last of the number factorial 100, right? Factorial 100 के लास्ट में how many zeros you will get, right? Please, fast. See, how many zeros at the last of this? So few of the answers are coming as 20, 23, 11, 24, 2, 13, 21, 21, 21, 22. Okay, good, great. So now we have to see how many zeros at the last of factorial 100. So first we'll start with the like basic form or basic formula. How many zeros we are getting there, right? So numbers are written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100, right? And we have to multiply all the numbers. But we know that zero has to come with the multiple of 5 and an even number, right? So if I'm saying this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 100. राइट, इतने नंबर्स हैं जिसमें आपको 5s मिल रहे होंगे, राइट? अब इन नंबर में जो 5 मिल रहे हैं वो कितने हैं वो काउंट करता हूं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ये 25 तो मुझे डायरेक्टली जो दिख रहे हैं वो मिल गए यहाँ पर, राइट? बट अब इसके बाद थे if you can see there कि 25 is the number, 50 is the number, 75 and 100. These all contain 25, right? So every 5 into 5, with every 5 we are getting one more zero, so this we can add with 4, right? So total number of zeros we are getting will be 24. How many of you got this right? Write down yes. Okay. Now, what is the method for this? This is only the counting part, right? How we can intelligently count this? See, 100. How many 5s are there? So divide by 5. And this is called the integral part, right? Only the integral part you have to take, not the point one. So what we are getting? 5, that will be 20. Again, maybe, right, 5 square terms are also coming. So this is 4, then 100 upon 5 cube. This is coming as a fraction and this will be 0. So total is coming as 20 plus 4 will be 24. Right? 20 plus 4 will be 24. Every 5 you'll get a 0. Right? With every 5, always you'll get a 0. So every 5 in 10, again you are finding 1 5. Okay, Priyans? This 5, 10, 15, from every 5 you are getting 1 0, but in 25, 50, 75, 100, you are getting more than 1 0, right? In 25, it's 5 into 5. In 50, 2 into 5 into 5, right? Right? In 75, obviously, right? If any 10 is there, 10 is a multiple of 2 and 5. If you'll give 5 and 2, 1 5 and 1 2, right, then you are getting this 0. If I'm saying like 4 into 5, only 1 5 is there, then you are getting only 1 0, not 2 zeros. 4 will not decide how many zeros, 5 will decide the zeros. But number of 5s, right, as well as number of 2 will be same, then you'll get the zeros, right? So twos are, so lot many twos are there in 1 to 100, right? But obviously fives are less, so we have to understand that. Okay, so one more I'm giving you. 200 factorial. How many zeros are there for factorial 200? This time, hope everyone is getting right answer.
Studen.
Okay, few of the answers are coming. Let's hope. 48, 49, 49, 48, 46. Okay, very good. So in this case, how many zeros will be there? So this will be 200 upon 5 greatest integer plus 200 upon 5 square is in the integral part plus 200 upon 125 is the integral part. So we are getting 40 plus 8 plus 1 point something, but we have to take only the integral part. So 1. So great, very good. Like most of the people are getting the answer 49. How many of you are getting answer 49? Write down yes in chat, please. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? So in different ways, like one more you can do. This is the last one of this kind. How many zeros for factorial 1000, but fast. Okay, so let's hope this time everyone is getting this. 1000 by 5 integral part plus 1000 by 5 square integral part, 1000 by 5 cube integral part. Again, one term will get for 5 to the power 4, the integral part. So 200 plus 40 plus 8 plus 1, I guess 249 is the perfect answer for you. देवांश क्या कर रहा है? ऐड करने में दिक्कत करेगा? Simple question, right? Very good everyone. Very good. Right, 249 zeros are there, right? Okay, now you have to understand one more term that's called NCR. It's NCR means from n different things, you have to choose r different things. From n distinct object, we have to choose r object is called NCR. This notation is denoted by NCR, and value of this is factorial n by factorial n minus r factorial r. Right? Factorial n minus r factorial r. If I'm saying 10C2, meaning of this is from r different object, right? Or here 10 different object, you have to select 2, right? So any 2 you can select, and the formula for this will be 10C2, and number of ways will be 10C2, that's factorial 10 by factorial 8 into factorial 2, that is 10 into 9 by 2, that will be 45 ways you can choose, right? How
Excuse
this
me,
is going?
sir. Sir, sorry to interrupt, but what is C here?
I said na ki NCR, the notation for NCR, there's N choose R. This is known as N choose R. This is the notation of combinatrix combination that's called NCR. And the mathematical formula for this is factorial n by factorial n minus r into factorial r, right? From n different object, you have to select r object is denoted by NCR. You can also read this as N choose R. 10C2 means 10 choose 2, means from 10 different, right, object or person, you have to select 2. So the formula is 10C2. The total number of ways coming as 45. Is it okay? Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right now. So why it's coming as 45? Why not it's coming as 90? When you are selecting the person like 1, 2, 3, like this is given formation of 10 people, right? Like formation of 10 peoples are there, right? If I'm writing this as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, we have to select 2% from this, right? So how many options we have at first? We have 10 options, right? If in 10 option I have like I have selected 1%, right? Then how many options we have for now? So I have 9 options, right? So this is total going for, like, first I was selecting A, now I'm selecting B. So this is total going for 90. But in the selection process, what I'm saying, we are selecting A, then B is same as B, then A. राइट, मैं ए के बाद बी को सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूं या बी के बाद ए को सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूं, इन बोथ वे वी आर सेलेक्टिंग टू पीपल एंड ए एंड बी बोथ आर सेम, मींस वी हैव डूइंग द counting of 2x is equal to 90 or x is equal to, I'm saying 90 by 2, that's 45, or direct formula for this is 10 choose 2 is giving you the answer 45. Right, giving you the answer 40. How to understand this, how to apply this, the combinatorics thing बाद में वो आता है. First I'll start with the counting process. I'm giving you 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 digits are given, right? 6 digits are given, we have to form 4-digit number, right? 4-digit number, right? In how many ways we can form 4-digit numbers? See what we have to do. First, what I'll do, I'll make
Sir,
this
repetition allowed, not allowed.
free. Repetition not allowed. 4-digit number, right? Okay, this is 4-digit number we have to form, right? We have given digits are 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? How many options we have for any of the place, right? There isn't any restriction, so I can start from anywhere, right? So I'm starting from unit place. So how many options we have for unit place? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Repetitions not allowed. So first we have 6 options, right? I have written like 6 या 5 या 4, कोई भी एक number लिख दिया मैंने, right? So now for 10th place, how many options you have? 5 options, right? Now I have taken number 2, right? Now for 100th place, how many options you have?
4,
Right?
4.
4,
For like 10,000 place, how many options you have?
3,
3,
3. So what you are getting, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3.
72.
Right?
360.
360.
360,
Okay, everyone. Please note down, without restriction, if I'm giving you 6 digits are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have to form 4-digit numbers, right? We have to form 4-digit numbers without restriction, without repetition. In how many ways you can form? This is the basic of counting. Okay, now second question, in this only, if I'm giving how many odd numbers are possible? How many odd numbers are possible? See, odd numbers
120,
means restrictions, right? So what is the restrictions? We know that four digits, right? This is 4 digits, right? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a restriction. If I'm saying we have to form 4-digit number, that must be odd. Odd number, property of odd number, you all know this must ended with odd digits. How many odd digits we have? 1,
4.
2, right? So 1, 3, 5. So we have 3 options for unit place, right? I have used this. I have used this 5. Now, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There isn't any restriction for 10th place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 options. Now for this 4 option. Now for this is 3 option. Right? So total is, right, 3 into 4 into 5 into 3.
180.
So this will,
180.
180.
180.
please note down and go for how many even numbers are possible. Write down answer in chat. How many even numbers are possible? Very good. See, even numbers, right? Vaishnavi, carefully see this. 4-digit numbers we have to form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. It's a 4 digits, so 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is unit place. So what is the property of even number, right? We know that the unit place must be even. So how many options we have? 2, 4, and 6. We have 3 options, right? We have used one number. 3 ऑप्शन में एक नंबर ही मैंने यूज किया होगा, राइट? अब एक नंबर मैंने यूज कर दिया, रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड. सो हाउ मेनी ऑप्शन नाउ वी हैव? अब मेरे पास कितने ऑप्शन बच गए हैं? 1, 2, 4, 5. So for 10th place or 100th place or any other place, we have 5 options, right? Now with no restriction. So how many options we have for other place? 4.
4 or 3.
Now we have, right, 20 into 9 will be 180. Total number of ways will be 180.
4.
Vaishnav, is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, but these are the initial question what we are doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Like if I'm saying these 7 digits are given, right? These 7 digits are given, and we have to now find 6 digits number divisible by first case 2, second case 4, right? And third case 3. We have 3 questions. We have to start with first, we have to form 6-digit number that must be divisible by 2. What is the condition for divisible by 4?
Last two digits must be divisible by 4.
It must be divisible by 4. And what is the condition for divisible by 3?
उनका sum divisible by 3.
Divisible होना चाहिए 3 से.
Must be divisible by 3. So please start. लेट्स स्टार्ट. मैं स्टार्ट करूं.
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट वेरी इजी. सब कुछ आपका थर्ड क्वेश्चन पर आएगा. मैक्सिमम 2 मिनट्स यू हैव ना. 2 मिनट और दे रहा हूं. Let's start. Right. Start with first one. Divisible by 2. So first we'll go with 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines will divide into 6 parts, right? So unit place must be even. Unit place we have option 2, 4, 6. So 3 options we have. Now no restrictions. If we have used any one of the number, we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. So you are getting 2
2
into
into 0.
3, 5 into 6 into 3. How many of you are getting this? Write down yes in chat. Very good, very good. Second is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need divisible by 4. We know that last 2 digits of the number must be divisible by 4, right? With the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? See, how many numbers are there divisible by 4? 1, 2, 1, 6, right? 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 6, 4, 4, not possible. Repetition is there.
28.
Right? 6, 4 is there, and 7, 2, 7, 6. 8 is not there, so we can't take the value 28, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 options we have for last 2 digits. And how many numbers we have used? We have used 2 digits.
2 digits.
How many digits we have left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we start with this 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. So total will be 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 10. How many you are getting this answer? Write down yes in chat, please. Okay. Now, very good, everyone. Now, the last one, but most important question, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have to form 6-digit number divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maximum 3 minutes you have. Very good, very good. Most of the answers are coming. That's very good. ये हमेशा अच्छी बात ये होती है कि just you have tried this, right? We know that the number must be divisible by 3. So obviously sum of the number must be divisible by 3, right? So if first case, what I'm saying in the first case, I'm saying I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So sum of the number, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 6 into 7 by 2, this 21 is always divisible. So this number must be divisible by, right, 3. Now we have not used the number 7, right? If we have to use this number 7, right, how to go for that, right? उसे कैसे यूज करें ये देखते हैं, right? How to use this? So if 7 will replace, so 7 will replace which numbers? We know that if 7, we are dividing this 7 by 3. So 7 by 3, remainder will be 1. And what are the numbers when divided by 3, remainder will be 1? That will be 1. So first thing, what we can do, we can replace the number 7 with 1. And second thing, what we can
4.
do, or we can replace this, right? Now, case first, how many numbers we are getting?
6 factorial.
Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For first, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, Aditya. Right? For second also we are getting factorial 6. For third also we are getting factorial 6. Means we are getting 3 into factorial 6. 720 into 3. Note down, please. This is very, very, very important question. So please carefully you have to note down. And 4 also and 3 also. Right? Please.
Sir, sir,
Yeah. Yes, please.
सर वो जो आपने सेकेंड और थर्ड केस में ये कैसे पता लगाया कि मतलब कौन से नंबर को 7 से रिप्लेस करना है, वो जरा वापस बताओगे? मैं समझा नहीं अच्छे
जिसके
से।
7 को अगर 3 से मैं डिवाइड करूंगा तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा?
1।
1 को मैं 3 से डिवाइड करूंगा तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा? 1। 4 को मैं डिवाइड करूंगा तो क्या आएगा रिमाइंडर? 1।
1।
राइट। तो वो सभी के सभी नंबर जिन पे रिमाइंडर हमारे 1 आ रहे हों उसे मैंने यूज किया। ओके, नेक्स्ट। Right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have to form first question 7 digits number, first divisible by 2, second divisible by 4, third divisible by 3, fourth divisible by 5. ये questions you have to do it fast. Very good, Kevin. Maximum 4 minutes you have. Let's start the numbers. See how it's going now. Very good, Tantresh. Very good. Jebel, yes, very good. स्निग्धा, very good. चलो देखते हैं देवांश, देखते हैं अभी बेटा. Divisible by 4, 7-digit number, right? So what we have to do, we have to make a 7-digit arrangement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be 7 digits, right? Divisible by 2. So we have even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. we have 4 options for this, right? So we have used 1, so now we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Or we can say 4 into factorial 7,
20160.
right? 4 into factorial 7, right? And for second, divisible by 4, right? Divisible by 4, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? Numbers possibilities are 1, 2, 1, 6, right? Odd numbers, right? 2, 4, 2, 8, 3, 2, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, 2, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 8, 7, 2, 7, 6, 8, 4, right? 8, 8 is not possible because repetition is not allowed, right? So these numbers are possible, right? So how many of these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 different numbers are possible, right? For last 2 digits, right? For last 2 digits, 14 different numbers are possible, right? And we have already used 2. So how many left with? 5. So this will be 5, 4, 3, and 2. And only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? We have 6 options now. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 into 14. It's 14 or 15?
14.
14 na?
14, sir.
Man? Yes, sir. The like interesting part is divisible by 3, 1. Right? Interesting part is divisible by 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divisible by 3 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? Up to 7, what is the sum? Right? 7 into 8 by 2, that's 28. Right? 28 is not divisible by 3. This will give the remainder 1. So I have to replace the number 8 with that number that will give you the like answer that will be divisible, right? That in case it's divisible by 3, right? 8, if you will replace with 1, so 28 minus 1, 27 plus not divisible. 28 minus 2, 26 plus 8, right? If you are replacing 2 with 8, right? Not working again, right? With 3, if you are replacing with 3, right? 25. So if I'm taking in place of 3, I'm taking 8. So 1, 2, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first time I have to go with like anyhow it has to work, right? ये sum कितना आ रहा है ये देखता हूँ. 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 8, 30 and 33. Wow, this is working, right? And I'm left with the number. कौन सा number है जो मैंने नहीं लिया है? तो the number is 3, right? Divisible by 3 वाले number मैंने नहीं लिया, and right, all the other numbers I'm taking, right? So in place of 3, when we are dividing this 3 by 3, remainder will be 0. So 100% I have to replace the 3 with 6. So the second possibility will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, right? And in both way, what you are getting factorial 7 and into 2 because we have 2 cases for that. So 2 into factorial 7. Hope everyone is getting this. How many of you got right answer? Write down yes in chat, please. One more question is there, right? Divisible by 5, but note down this thing, right? I'll go again. Done everyone? Okay. आगे बढ़ सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Divisible by 5 is one of the simplest one, right? In third one only we can go, right? The unit place must be 5, right? Unit place must be 5, and all the other will be starting with, right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So only the unit place contain 5, so one option, and all the other is means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? So this factor is 7 only. Sania, very good. बहुत अच्छे. Right? So this is the condition for divisibility, right? So, but what I did, frankly speaking, I have given you the simplest question, right? But for pre-RMO and RMO, they will not divisible by 3. Now this is the question. This we can say this is the question what we require to do, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 5 digits number, divisible by 3, right? So maximum 5 minutes you have. Enjoy this question. डन। सिद्धि एक बार और, सानिया एक बार और, स्निग्धा once again try. Okay, let's start. मैं करता हूँ कोशिश. See, this is a beautiful question, right? The numbers are like 5-digit numbers we have to form. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If you are going for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so obviously now you have the digits 6 and 7. So first you have to replace each and every number with 6 and then 7. Then we have to think like which number will be divisible or not, right? It's a one of the difficult tasks, right? So every time you have to count. ना थोड़ा सा कोई दूसरा तरीका देखता हूँ, ध्यान से देखना. What I'm doing, I'm adding all the numbers up to 7. This is 28. Now, the sum of the digit total is 28. And what we required, we know that number must be divisible by 3 if and only if number must be, sum of the digit must be divisible by 3. So 28 is not divisible by 3. So, and we have to like take out two numbers, right? दो number मेरे को यहाँ से बाहर निकालने हैं and 28 we have to make divisible by 3, right? So if we subtract 1, so not possible, only one number we are taking off, but we have to take off at least two, exactly two numbers, right? So first number we can subtract from this is 28, this is minus, right? 1, not possible, so minus 4. So number will be 24, right? So minus 4 will be going for 1, 3, right? Then minus 7. Minus 7 will be for 1, 6, 2, 5, right? 3, 4. Then minus 10, right? Minus 10 is 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, not possible, right? And minus 13 is possible for 6, 7. So how many numbers, like, what is the meaning of this, right? What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is we have to take out the number 1 and 3. So the number 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. This must be divisible by 3. Same with if I'll take out 1 and 6 or 2 and 5 or 3 and 4, the number must be divisible by 3. Same with 3, 7 and 4, 6 and 6, 7, right? Every case, what we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 5 numbers, we have to form, right, 5-digit number with factorial 5 ways. I guess all we know that. And how many possible cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total number of cases will be 7. So this is 7 into factorial 5. So this is the first method, right? Please note down, everyone.
Sir, why didn't you subtract 1?
1, if you
Because we need
subtract
two
1,
numbers.
Okay, thank you.
yes, very good.
सर
Yes,
सर ये हमें 5 डिजिट नंबर फॉर्म करना था ना?
हाँ, 5 डिजिट है ना, तभी तो 2 हटाया ना, 7 डिजिट मेरे पास।
सर तो 2 प्लेसेस में आ गए हमें 7, फिर बाकी के उसमें 5 और 4 और 3 रहेगा ना, तो 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 होना चाहिए ना?
नहीं समझा मैं, फिर से बोलो एक बार।
सर ये 5 डिजिट नंबर फॉर्म हो रहा है,
हाँ,
तो लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स में ये हमें 7 केसेस आएंगे।
लास्ट के 2 डिजिट में मतलब 3 से डिविजिबल का केस तो होता है बेटा कि कंप्लीट सम मस्ट बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 ना, नॉट विथ लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स ना।
हाँ सर मैं समझ गया।
कंप्लीट डिजिट सम विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 ना। Okay. So the different case, right? What you are saying, right? ये दिखाता हूँ शायद आपको अच्छा लगे। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 7, 8. Right? ध्यान से ना, दिस इज मैथमेटिकल, राइट? दिस इज मैथमेटिकल वे ना। अभी तक मैं काउंटिंग ही बता रहा था। दिस नंबर, राइट, फर्स्ट वाला जो नंबर है, दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3n+1. सेकंड नंबर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3n+2 एंड थर्ड नंबर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3n+3 और 3n, राइट? यही अपने पास फंडा यही है। आई गेस ऑल यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है। फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ नंबर जो है 147 वाले, दिस मस्ट बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3n+1. 258 मस्ट बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3n+2, राइट? मैं 3 से डिवाइड करूंगा तो 2 रिमाइंडर हो जाएंगे, एंड 3 and 6 मस्ट बी डिवाइडेड बाय 3 on. इज इट ओके?
Yes.
राइट, ठीक है। मेरे को कहाँ तक गिवन थे नंबर्स? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 तक गिवन है, राइट? तो मेरे को 8 नहीं लेना, तो मैं 8 को हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से, राइट? अगर 8 भी दिया रहता तब भी ये मेरे लिए वर्क करता, राइट? अगर 8 भी दिया रहता तब भी ये वर्क करता। नाउ व्हाट वी रिक्वायर्ड, अब डिविजिबल बाय 3 होने के लिए मेरे को क्या चाहिए? मेरे को ये चाहिए, देखना ध्यान से प्लीज, मेरे को ये चाहिए, अगर मैंने एक नंबर यहाँ से लिए, सो आई हैव टेक अ नंबर फ्रॉम दिस, राइट? मेरे को जितने नंबर्स, जितने मैं 1 वाले सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ उतने 2 वाले सेलेक्ट करूँ, राइट? मेरे को टोटल नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन चाहिए 5, राइट? तो 2 यहाँ से मैंने किए, 2 यहाँ से मैंने किए, 2 to 4 हो गया, 1 5। फर्स्ट केस यही होना चाहिए। मैंने 2 नंबर सेलेक्ट किए 3n+1 वाले, 2 नंबर सेलेक्ट किए 3n+2 वाले, 3n+1 एंड 3n+2 आपस में ऐड होंगे तो 3n+3 दे देंगे, और 3n तो ऑलरेडी डिविजिबल है ही है, राइट? फर्स्ट केस ये हुआ, राइट? सेकेंड केस व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि मैंने ये पूरे के पूरे ये 3 नंबर 3n+1 वाले ले लिए, तो 3n+1 के तीनों नंबर लूंगा तो तीनों का सम तो हमेशा डिविजिबल बाय 3 होगा, और लास्ट वाले के 2 नंबर ले लिए, पूरे 5 नंबर्स आ गए, राइट। और
Yes.
कोई केस आपके पास बचा जो आप ले सकते हो? कोई और केस है ऐसा जो आप ले सकते हो, जो दिख रहा हो आपको? प्लीज ध्यान से देख के बताओ। वन वाले के वन नंबर ले लूं, टू वाले के वन नंबर ले लूं, बट थ्री वाले के तीन नंबर मेरे पास नहीं है, टोटल मेरे को चाहिए 5। पॉसिबल नहीं जाएगा, राइट। टोटल नंबर मैं थ्री वाले का अगर 8 भी रहता तो वहां से मैं 3 नंबर्स ले सकता था, बट वहां पॉसिबल नहीं है। अब ध्यान दो, मेरे पास कितने ऑप्शंस थे? 3n+1 के 3, और मैंने उसमें से सेलेक्ट कितना किया? 2। तो आई एम सेइंग दिस इज 3 चूज 2। 3 डिफरेंट थे जिसमें 2 सेलेक्ट मैंने किया, तो आई एम सेइंग दिस इज 3c2। मेरे पास 2 थे और 2 के 2 मैंने सेलेक्ट किया, तो 2c2 एंड 2c1, राइट। ये नंबर 3 इंटू 2 6 आ गया, राइट। लास्ट वाले केस को देखता हूँ, ये फर्स्ट केस से आंसर आया। सेकंड केस से नंबर ऑफ केसेस कितने आए? 3c3 इंटू 2c2, ये आया 1। 6 + 1 7 नंबर्स आ गए विदाउट एनी काउंटिंग, बट पूरे प्योर मैथमेटिक्स लगाना पड़ा तब, राइट। इसी के लिए मैंने पूरी की पूरी कहानी आपको सुनाई थी कि और इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस आपको डील करने हैं, राइट। काउंटिंग इज वन ऑफ द प्रोसेस, बट उस काउंटिंग में कैसे मैं पीएनसी को लाता हूँ, कैसे कॉम्बिनेट्रिक्स को लाता हूँ, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी। होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इतने बड़े क्वेश्चन को 2 लाइन में हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं। जो 7 केसेस हुए और फॉर 5 डिजिट्स वी आर राइटिंग फैक्टोरियल 5, तो दिस 7 into factorial 5 is your answer. Is it okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Please note down carefully. ना इस पर बेस एक और क्वेश्चन मैं दूंगा आप लोगों को। सर टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस, ओलंपियाड वगैरह के प्रोसेस ऐसे हैं जो टाइम टेकिंग रहते हैं।
Can you
Like we
explain
have
it
to
again?
कहाँ पर से? You can ask them, so that will be like better. First thing what I did कि I have divided this in the form of 3n+1, 3n+2 and 3n. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? No confusion in this?
So, but why you have taken 3n+1 like this?
So nature of the number in the case of 1, 4 and 7, we know that if I have to add like a बहुत बड़े number series we have, right? And like in fraction of second we have to give the answer, like the nature of the number 1, 4, 7, 10, like 14 and so on. The numbers are when we divide these numbers by 3, we are getting remainder 1. And second case, when we are dividing the numbers with 3, we are getting remainder 2. So now we have to add the number, and this sum of the number must be divisible by 3. So if you are taking a number from 3n+1, right? So number is divisible by 3 and remainder is 1. And again you are taking a number from 3n+2. So what would be the sum? Sum will be divisible by 3 or not? आई एम सेइंग कि अगर मैं एक नंबर ले रहा हूं इस नेचर का 3n+1 वाले नेचर का, और 1 नंबर आई एम टेकिंग ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ 3n+2, द नंबर मस्ट बी, सम ऑफ द नंबर मस्ट बी डिवाइडेड बाय 3 और नॉट? Are you understanding this? What I'm saying? Are you understanding this? What I'm saying? ये समझ में आ रहा है या फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूं?
सर एक और बार एक्सप्लेन करोगे बस शॉर्ट में?
सर कॉम्बिनेशंस वाले समझ में
करेंगे बेटा, उसमें भी आएंगे। पहले ये तो समझ ले कि ये नंबर का डिवीजन क्या हुआ।
हाँ सर समझा।
सी मेरे पास नंबर 1 to 7 है, तो मैंने कहा कि नंबर है 1 2 3 4, राइट? द नंबर्स आर गोइंग। मान लो ये नंबर्स थे, तो मैंने कहा कि मेरे को जो चाहिए था कि कितने कॉम्बिनेशन होंगे कि सम विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3, राइट? सो अगर मैं अब ऐसे काउंटिंग करूँ क्या होगा, एक 1 को मैंने लिया तो 1 के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन 2 का बन सकता है और 5 का बन सकता है। देन इसके साथ में कॉम्बिनेशन 3 लूँ या 6 लूँ तब भी डिविजिबल होगा, राइट? फिर 4 के साथ में 2 लूँ या 5 लूँ, फिर इसके साथ में कॉम्बिनेशन 3 लूँ 5 लूँ तो ये डिविजिबल होगा। एक एक करके मैं काउंटिंग कर सकता हूँ, राइट? 1 लिखा, राइट? 1 लिया, फिर मैंने कहा इसके साथ में 2 होगा एंड इसके साथ में मैं 3 भी ले सकता हूँ तो सम विल बी डिविजिबल। इसके साथ में कौन, तो इन काउंटिंग प्रोसेस में सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत मेरे को क्या जाएगी कि बहुत सारे नंबर्स में मिस करने के चांस रहेंगे, राइट? उस चांस को हटाने के लिए व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इतना लंबा काम नहीं करके हम लोग मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में काम करते हैं, थोड़े इंटेलिजेंसी के साथ। क्या कि ये जो नंबर हैं अगर मैं इनको 3 से डिवाइड करूं तो एक नेचर मेरे को पकड़ने में आ रहा है कि रिमाइंडर 1 बचेगा। ये जो नंबर्स हैं इनको अगर 3 से डिवाइड कर रहा हूं तो रिमाइंडर 2 बचेगा, और ये जो नंबर्स हैं इनको डिवाइड करने पर रिमाइंडर 0 बचेगा, उसको 3n लिख रहा हूं। इज इट ओके?
यस सर।
यस
राइट?
सर।
तो अब मेरे को इससे बेनिफिट क्या हुआ? बेनिफिट ये हुआ कि मेरे को काउंटिंग 1 के साथ कौन नंबर 4 के साथ आएगा नहीं करना। मैं सीधा बोल रहा हूं कि अगर 3n+1 का एक नंबर आया उसमें 1 भी काउंट हो गया, 4 भी काउंट हो गया, 7 भी काउंट हो गया। अगर मैंने 2 टिक लगाए, मतलब आई एम सेइंग कि मैंने इस नेचर के 2 नंबर लिए, तो 1 और 4 ले सकता हूँ, 1 and 7 ले सकता हूँ, 7 and 4 ले सकता हूँ, 7 and 1 ले सकता हूँ। अब अगर मैं लिखने जाता तो मेरे को कितने सारे केसेस लिखने पड़ते और कितने सारे केसेस सोचने पड़ते। एंड मजेदार बात क्या है कि अगर मैंने फर्स्ट वाले नंबर को लिया, राइट, तो अगर 3n+1 एक नंबर लिया और सेकंड वाले से 3n+2 लिया तो दोनों का सम मिला के 3 होगा। मतलब एक 3n+1 का नंबर और एक 3n+2 का नंबर लूंगा तो दोनों का सम तो हमेशा डिविजिबल बाय 3 होगा ही होगा। मीन्स अगर मेरे को डिविजिबिलिटी यहाँ पर लानी है नंबर की तो मेरे लिए बेस्ट उपाय ये है कि जितना मैंने 1 वाला सेलेक्ट किया उतना मैं 2 वाला सेलेक्ट कर लूं, राइट? एंड ये दोनों 4 नंबर हो गया, मुझे टोटल सेलेक्ट करना था 5, तो मैंने एक 3n वाला नंबर सेलेक्ट कर लिया। इज इट ओके? इज इट ओके?
यस सर।
यस
दूसरा
सर।
केस क्या होगा, मैं 3n+1 से 1 ले लूं और इससे 1 ले लूं, लेकिन एक एक 2 नंबर ही मेरे पास आएगा, राइट? दोनों से एक एक नंबर आया तो वो 3n+3 डिविजिबल होगा, राइट? लेकिन मुझे 5 नंबर सेलेक्ट करने, वो नंबर नहीं होगा, राइट? सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि अगर 3n+1 वाले मैंने 3 नंबर सेलेक्ट कर लिए, राइट? 3n+1 वाले मैंने 3 नंबर सेलेक्ट कर लिए तो तीनों का सम डिविजिबल बाय 3 होगा या नहीं? क्योंकि 3n तो ऑलवेज डिविजिबल है, मेरे को केवल 1 को देखना है। 1 कितनी बार आया सेकंड केस में? 3। तो अगर 1 3 टाइम्स आपके पास आ रहा है, सो व्हाट यू विल से, नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 और नॉट? डिविजिबल है।
Yes,
लेकिन
sir.
मैं 3 से अब कोई भी नंबर नहीं ले रहा हूं, मैं बोल रहा हूं कि ये तो डिविजिबल आ गया 3 से, तो मैं दोनों नंबर यहां से ले लूं, 3n+0 वाले से 2 नंबर ले लूं तो नंबर डिविजिबल होंगे। ये कॉम्बिनेशन मैंने टोटल बना लिया। इज इट ओके?
यस
Yes.
सबको क्लियर है ये? कोई डाउट पूछ रहे थे? जो भी डाउट पूछ रहे थे उनको क्लियर है? मैं देख नहीं पाया था नाम, क्लियर है?
यस सर, क्लियर है।
Yes, sir.
ओके नाउ, अब आदित्य, अब तुम्हारे पास था क्या कि बैग जो था उस बैग में कितनी चीजें थी आपके पास? 3 चीजें थी, 3 डिफरेंट चीजें थी, ठीक है? इन 3 डिफरेंट सिलेक्शन में आपको 2 चीजें सेलेक्ट करनी है। कितने तरीके से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो? 3 डिफरेंट से 2 सिलेक्शन कितने तरीके से हो सकता है?
3C2
राइट? ये 2 आपके पास है, उसमें से 2 सिलेक्शन करने हैं, कितने तरीके से हो सकता है? 2C2।
2C2.
ये एक सिलेक्शन करना है, कितने तरीके से हो सकता है? 2C1, राइट? सेकंड वाला आप लोग आंसर बताओ, क्या क्या लिखूं मैं? What I have to write it down? Please suggest.
3C3
3C3 into
2C0
2C2
2C0.
2C0.
2C2. Yes sir.
ये दोनों अलग अलग केस है, दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. ओके एवरीवन.
हाँ सर.
राइट.
यस सर.
अच्छे से. मेरे ख्याल से यही पूरा मैं जो एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है आराम से नोट करें. कहीं कंफ्यूजन है यू कैन आस्क. अभी बुक्स थोड़ा सा वेट करना है हम लोगों को. हाँ, बुक्स अभी मैं सजेस्ट नहीं करूंगा, बहुत इनिशियल लेवल पर है हम लोग. राइट. एक क्वेश्चन मैं आप लोगों को दे रहा हूँ, राइट डाउन. राइट. इसी क्वेश्चन में मैंने एक छोटा सा और अरेंजमेंट कर लिया. मैंने 8 तक नंबर दे दिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 right now you have to find again 5 digit number divisible by 5 digit number divisible by 3. Okay, done. Send answer please. What the answer you are getting? All the answers are different. Right? Carefully you have to see. Do it fast, do it fast. 20 cases. डन 29 केसेस और 20
29 सर, लास्ट में एक और आएगा ना सर, 1 1 and 3 का।
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। तो ओके देन एक बार पूरे के पूरे सॉल्यूशंस देख लेना। नेक्स्ट क्लास में विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस ओनली, राइट। बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेट्रिक्स के बहुत सारे नए क्वेश्चंस आने हैं, सो केयरफुल, राइट। ये रिवीजन हो जाना चाहिए। एनसीआर के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, राइट। टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर एवरीवन।
हाँ सर,
बाय
बाय
सर,
Sir,
सर।
thank
थैंक यू
you,
सर।
sir.
बाय सर, थैंक यू सर।
Bye, sir. Thank you.
अलविदा सर।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू एवरीवन, बाय बाय।
Bye, sir.